Today we have a new vocab lesson, which is lesson 7. And the first word that we have to learn is barrier. Barrier. Barrier is a noun and it means something that blocks the way. It can be an obstacle. Calculate. To calculate is to find out by using mathematics or reasoning, estimate or reckon. Of course, it's a verb. Compose is to be or make up the parts of or form, to create or write. So when you compose a poem, for example, the part of speech is a verb. Considerable is an adjective. As you can see, the suffix able makes the word an adjective, and it means fairly large in size or extent or worthy of attention. Deputy is a noun, and it's one chosen to help or take the place of another or to act in that person's absence. Okay, so to take his place. Industrious is an adjective, same as able. Also, the suffix ous or ious makes the word an adjective, and it means busy or working steadily. Number 7 is jolt. Jolt can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, it means to shake up roughly or to move along in a jerky or bumpy fashion. As for a noun, it's a sudden bump or jerk. Of course, the meanings are close to each other, but as in the first example, it's a verb. So it was fun to jolt down the dirt road in the wagon. However, in the second one, we felt a jolt as the Ferris wheel started. Loot. Loot is a verb and it means to rob by force or violence. The soldiers were warned not to loot the villagers. As a noun, it means valuable things that have been stolen or taken by force. Another meaning, or actually a synonym for loot, can be rob or steal. Rejoice is a verb and it means to feel joy or great delight, to make joyful, to feel happy. Reliable is an adjective, also it ends in the suffix able, and it means deserving trust, dependable. Someone is reliable, this means that you can count on them. Senseless, the suffix less means without, lacking. And of course, it makes the word an adjective. It means lacking meaning because sense is meaning. So when I say senseless, so it is without meaning or it lacks meaning, stupid or foolish without use of the senses. The last word that we have to learn today is shrivel. Shrivel is a verb and it means to shrink and wrinkle, especially from heat, cold, or dryness.